In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to obey. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you a language variation. What is language variation? What are the examples of language variation? And also some causes and factors of language variation. Language variation refers to the differences of language use across various regions, ethnic groups, and social classes. And language varies across different aspects of language, such as phonology, grammar, words, vocabulary, and pragmatics. Listeners and audience, there are various factors where language vary, such as social factors, cultural factors, and geographical factors. As I told you that language varies from gender to gender. For example, mostly a male make the use of direct language, and female they make the use of indirect language. Language also varies from age to age. Take the example of young generation, for example. They mostly make the use of informal language. However, whenever we are talking about the students or the teachers and other old people, for example, so they make the use of formal words and formal language. Connected to this, language also varies based on language context. Whenever the people they are speaking different languages, definitely then language varies based on words and vocabulary because of the context of the language or languages with each other. And there are geographical factors as well. When the people they are speaking the same language, but they are living in different geographical areas. So that's why language varies. Language also varies whenever we are talking about, for example, different social classes. In social classes, we have upper class, lower class, working class, underclass. So definitely the language of upper class will be different as compared to working class. So hope that now you know about language variation. Thank you.